My dear friend Cathy made me some homemade lemon curd. This stuff is so good. And one of my favorite things to do with lemon curd, especially around Easter, is to make these adorable egg cakes, little egg cupcakes that you can either make in a mold like this or just pour it out in a sheet pan, bake it, cut it with your egg-shaped cookie cutter, and then the center is lemon curd to make it look like the egg yolk. They're so adorable and they're so delicious, and Cathy, this lemon curd is the bomb. Thank you so much. Check out the easy recipe on taylorkitchen.net. For this, you can use whatever cake batter, vanilla, you want, or use a box mix and then pour it into an egg-shaped mold. Alternatively, you can also put it into a sheet pan, and all you need to do is just cut out really cute little egg shapes. Then dust them very liberally with powdered sugar for the egg white and dollop a little bit of lemon curd right where the egg yolk should be. You can also put on a few sprinkles if you want to make these extra festive, but they're so cute and kids will enjoy helping you with this.